that's the profile picture done. And now I think we can just put the values into the database. I think we're there now. Finally, query equals MySQLi query brackets con, the connection variable, insert into users, the users table, values, brackets, and this is where we need to make sure we get every value we need to. We have inside there, we have we're going to have a single quotes, that's ID. We don't put anything in there because remember that auto increments, so that'll do it for us. So comma, then we can have single quotes again here, f name, that's the first name, comma, same again for l name, comma, and then we're going to put username, the one we created up there, and we're going to say, remember these single quotes, em for email. I'm going to do one for password now, date, which is the date they signed up. I'm going to do profile pic, which is the value holding their profile picture path, comma, and then we have just 0, which is the number of posts they've done, because obviously starting off their account they haven't done any, so it's always going to be 0. 0 for number of likes. This is user closed column, which is no, because they're not closed, they've just opened their account. And for friend array, I put single quotes, so I'll just put one comma in there. I'll explain why I do that later on. I'm not going to explain it now, but just do it for now, and I'll explain that when we actually come to implement the friend array system. So there we go. Put the semicolon at the end, and we're done with that. And this now, if all done correctly, should send these values into the database. So let's try it. Save the page, refresh it, and I'll put a password in there. I'll say password, creative I know, password again, and this should work. Let me change that to my actual name. Okay. I think nothing has happened yet. Nothing will appear to have happened, but if I check the value in the database, there we go. And I forgot that we already created a name with the username Reese Kenny, so look what it's done. Reese underscore Kenny underscore 1, because it already found one there. I can go and create this again. I can say Chandler Bing, Chandler@gmail.com. I'm sure that's his email address. Chandler. Okay, password. Let's just do password for now again. Password. Actually, let's do password 1. I'll show you something. Click register. And I'll refresh the users table. Oh, that's the one from my actual website. Ignore that. So get refresh the users table, and there we go. Chandler Bing has been inserted into the database. So this is what I'm going to show you. Notice how the password for that one was password, and the password for this one was password 1. Although we only changed one letter, it produces a completely different encrypted key right here. So encrypting the password just stops us from being able to see exactly what's in there. And if you look there, the profile picture contains the path now, and everything is good.